On my way home from Yodobashi camera, I decided to go to Ameyoko. It's a street food in Ueno, Tokyo. Sarap. Kain tayo? Hello, I'm now here in Ueno, and I looked for some microphone, and I went to Yodobashi camera to buy my microphone. Okay, so I will be eating. So I'll show you later how it looks like. Okay, so in the, we call it street food. Okay. Yeah. They sell different things. So okay. So I want to eat sashimi. So they are enjoying their food. Okay, it's coming now. I'll show you. Arigatou gozaimasu. So this is my KAISENDON. So this is my KAISENDON. Sashimi don KAISENDON.
Are you posting on YouTube?
Yes. I've just started YouTube. Let's eat. Okay, so yummy. Yummy.
When you eat for the first time,
This KAISENDON, very nice. And this, I have wasabi here.
and if you don't
And negi toro. This is toro. Negi.
it has an effect of killing
Mm. You speak very good English. Did you study somewhere abroad to speak?
before.
Mm.
How to say? When I was a university student, I had international friends, like a Filipino.
That's you.
Yeah,
Mm.
that's why I can speak English a bit. And how about you? How long have you been in Japan?
I've been here for a long time. When did you come?
Last December.
Ah, so you'll be 1 year in December. Ah, I see. Mm. So
she's a university student. Shinagawa Kaiyo Daigaku.
I see, I see.
Where do you live now?
In Tokyo?
In Tokyo. From Osaka. From Osaka.
Otaku. Ah, yeah, it's opposite, ne?
Yeah. South area.
I wanted to eat this kind of food, kaisendon, ne?
KAISENDON. Actually, really reasonable compared to other shops.
Yeah.
Because it is said that the Tokyo's how to say, Tokyo's food is very costly, including the KAISENDON. If you have opportunities to go to other, if you have opportunities to travel to other places like Hokkaido, maybe you can get the most bigger and the most reasonable one.
Delicious.
Yes,
Yeah, very delicious, ne?
And very fresh. This is a scarf. This is
Wasabi. How do you find wasabi?
Just flavor is
Mm,
really?
because it's spicy. Ne? It's hot. Gochisousama deshita. Wow, that was a great meal. Enjoying good food and meeting new friends is fun. Thanks for watching. Jamata. See you.